Hey, it's Jamila from Buy Pink, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a giant wall clock with your Cricut. The first thing you want to do is download my file. I'll have it linked either below or in the blog post, depending on where you're watching this. Um, you download the file, upload it, it's all ready for you. This circle is the base of the clock, kind of. It's where you're going, it's where your second hands are, or whatever, or minute, however you want to look at it. And there are registration marks for you to be able to match these up the best way you can. So they're separated into fours because, like I said, it's a giant wall clock. It's already sized for you and everything. Just using your registration marks, go ahead and get that placed onto your wall. I should have brought out my tall ladder to make this a lot simpler, but I did not. And just continue around until it's done. When you're done, go ahead and remove the registration marks that are in the center of the circle. To get this to adhere to your wall, we're using the large scraper. Go ahead and put your clock in the center. Mine isn't completely centered because I'm not that tall and I didn't pull out my ladder, but it still works pretty perfectly. Once you have that piece put on, you're going to start putting your numbers on. I use the big hand to kind of tell me where to put my numbers. You can measure it out however it'll work for, work best for you, but this was the easiest thing to do because I don't have very much patience. So like I said, I just use the big hand to help me mark where each number goes. Just continue around until you have all the numbers added. What I did was I did each number that was across from each other first. So I did my big numbers, the 12, 3, 6, and 9 first, and then I just continued around until it's done. The clock is completely functional. I'll also link below where I got the clock hand.